If you are watching this video, it's definitely for you. Trust me that this video found you for a reason and you were meant to listen to this message. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. Hi, my name is Tamanna, your intuitive bestie. And today we are going to find out what wish of yours is finally about to come true. Now, my readings are part of an energy exchange, so make sure you subscribe to my channel because when you interact, energy aligns just like magic. Now, first of all, before starting the video, I want you to comment, I am ready to receive that good news, that blessings, or whatever desire it is that you have been manifesting and you want it to happen. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe to this channel and comment, I am ready. Now, first of all, before starting the reading, I'm intuitively getting this message that whatever wish it is that you've been manifesting, it is going to come true in either 3 weeks or max to max 3 months from the day you're watching this video. Let's see whatever this wish of yours is that is about to come true. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you. Thank you. So I'll be taking out 3 cards first and then explaining the meanings. Okay. Thank you. Beautiful, beautiful. Lovely, lovely. What a beautiful spread. See, the first card that I have taken out, that is for the thing that you need to release. So what I'm seeing here is there's a lot of possessiveness, there's a lot of attachment that can be to a relationship, to money, to your job, to your business. So there's something in your life that you're too much attached to, that it has led you to be a little on the possessive side. Because see, you need to understand, when we hold on to things too tightly, even if it's money, even if it's relationship, even if it's, even a small thing in your life, that thing will eventually let go of. Because we can't hold on to things for too long. You have to make sure to go with the flow, to let the energy flow. You're not supposed to hold on to things. You have to go with the flow, go with the energy, so that you keep experiencing the new things of life. The only message I'm receiving here is this 3 months before your wish is about to come true, you have to let go of that desire to be possessive, let go of that desire to be obsessive, let go of that desire to hold on to things. I think what I'm intuitively getting is that maybe your digitally, or maybe your phone, your laptop, your iPad, so there's a lot of digital junk as well. What I want you to do is clean that junk, remove whatever is not serving you. It could be energies, it could be unwanted data in your mobile, it could be unwanted people in your life that are draining your energy. So you think that sometimes what happens is you get attached to something which you should let go, but because of your own mind, you hold on to it. You're not able to let it go. So I would want you to just relax. Think about your self-respect. Think about what you would want. Think about the thing, the next step you could take if you could let it go. Think about that freedom you will get. So first thing is, you need to release whatever you're holding on to. I don't know, whatever you're holding on to, even if it's in terms of money, relationships, whatever it is, you need to let it go. You definitely need to let it go. For your wish to manifest, you need to let this energy go. The second one is such a beautiful card. See, it's the Fool card. So this card is for the intention that you need to put on. It's time. It's definitely time for you to take that leap of faith. Do not think about anything else. It's not the time to think about the consequences, the results, kya hoga, what will people think. It's not time to bother on to all those entire things. You just need to focus your energy on to take that leap of faith. Take that step. You have to. This is the best time. See, this is the best time with the new year energy, with the 2026 energy, with whatever year you're watching this in. it's the best time. It's the best time for you to take that move forward. You have that support, you have that lightedness. See, lightedness you will get once you let go of the things. This lightedness you will get. The sunny day, the bright day, the feeling of just starting the things new, and the feeling of doing starting fresh, and just diving onto things. This is the energy you're looking for. So the intention you have to put into is not to think of the consequences, not to think of whatever it is that you're, the result based categories we categorize in. Just have to relax, and you just have to take that leap of faith. Just do it. You are ready, you can do it. Just do it. Just do it. This is the correct. Yes, so I was saying, once you do it, once you take that leap of faith, see what you're manifesting. This is your desire. This is what you're manifesting. The Ten of Pentacles, the legacy, the relationship, the money, the support, the supportive community. This is your desired life. It's such a beautiful, happy, healthy, supportive, the desired life everybody is manifesting. This is what you're getting. This is the result of that leap of faith. This is the result of releasing what you're holding on to, what is not serving you, releasing that, taking that leap of faith, and getting what you desired. Even if you're looking for, a soulmate, a beautiful relationship is manifesting, and that relationship is manifesting with all that you've been desiring, all that you've been manifesting throughout the years. It's a completion energy. You have everything. In the coming 3 months or the 3 weeks, this is the energy you are receiving. This is the energy, this is the blessing the universe is giving you. The universe is actually saying you deserve it all, and you are getting these blessings. You have all that it takes. You are deserving. You have all that money, you have all that legacy, you have all that relationship, you have all that support, you have that abundance within you, and you are enjoying it. It's not that you've just received it, you're also enjoying it. You're not holding on to things like you were. You can do it. Exactly, you can do it. You can take that leap of faith, because in the future you are actually enjoying all these luxuries. You are enjoying that beautiful relationship. You are happy in it. You are enjoying that partner you have been manifesting, or maybe you've been enjoying, if you were looking for a better job, you are enjoying that job, because this is the environment that you were looking for. If you were looking for lots of money, this is the energy that you are gaining. Maybe there's some business you're doing, it's flourishing, it's being abundant, or the relationship, or the money prospect, or even if it's health, you are healthy. Since, see, you need to be healthy to be able to enjoy all these things. So it's abundant health. It's a beautiful health. It's such a beautiful energy you're in. So definitely, I think this is the energy you're manifesting. The completeness, the desire everybody thinks they have to, when we talk about a desire, we think good family, beautiful relationship, beautiful house. And yeah, definitely it's a house as well. So if you're desiring a house, it's a beautiful castle with all supportive relationships. Not only supportive, all healthy relationships which make you happy, which encourage you to do better in life, which are, these people are, I'm just literally laughing because it's such a beautiful energy you're gaining. You just see, you need to listen to me. You really, really need to listen to me. You need to let go of this. This is not serving you anything. This energy has to go. You have to let it go. You have to take that leap of faith, because it's such a beautiful and abundant energy you're manifesting. So just don't think about anything. Just take that leap of faith. Don't think about what other people are saying. Don't think about what the consequences will be, because the consequences are amazing. They are what is desired. You can do it. You're just so lucky. You're just manifesting the most beautiful life you have been waiting for. I am pretty sure these, post this 3 months, whatever wish you're desiring, the family, the relation, the money prospect, the supportive people, the beautiful house, the car, the mobile phone, or whatever it is that you're manifesting, it is about to come true, and you are going to be happy. You are going to be so happy, so joyful. You're going to be enjoying with not only your family, but the entire community. So you're going to be so happy. This is the blessing. Universe is literally blessing you, literally blessing you. You definitely need to show that gratitude. Just let go of this energy. Show this gratitude. I'm pretty sure it's an amazing, amazing energy. Let's see what the angel cards are saying for you. Thank you so much, universe. Let's see what the angel cards are saying. Thank you. Exactly. See, communicate clearly. So what I think is you are not able to release this. The reason being, you're not able to communicate properly. You're not able to communicate properly whatever it is. I think it's to yourself, not only to people. You're not able to understand yourself. You're not able to communicate that desire to yourself. You're not even thinking about it. As of now, you're just thinking, okay, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm not holding on to things. So you need to sit, you need to relax, you need to sit aside, take out time for yourself and think about your life. What is it? What exactly is the area of your life where you are thinking, where you're holding on to things? You actually need to communicate yourself more clearly in order to release this energy, is what I think. Let's take one last message. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, universe. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's Lakshmi Ma. It's definitely, see, I'm telling you, you are getting that money. You are, I think you're manifesting abundance. You're manifesting lots and lots of money. And Lakshmi Ma has come to let you know that it's not too far. Lakshmi Ma has come, she's blessing you. She's literally blessing you. What more to say? She's literally blessing you and giving you her blessings, she's giving you permission. She's allowing you to actually enjoy this time. See, you're entering into your rich era. We say the rich era, that is exactly what you're entering into. And Lakshmi Ma coming into this reading is confirming that this is such a beautiful time for yourself. You literally, let's say this is your era. This is your era. This is your time to shine. This is your time to shine. Lakshmi Ma herself is blessing you with this much abundance. What more do you need? What more do you need? You just need to let this go. Communicate properly. Take that leap of faith. You literally don't even have to think about anything at all. Just take that step. Whatever you're thinking, whatever you're planning in your mind, okay, this is what I need to do. I have to do, but you're procrastinating. You're being lazy, or you're scared, you're fearful that it will happen or not. See, this is a confirmation. It's literally happening right in front of you. And not only with the 10 of Pentacles, not only with the abundance, she herself has come. Lakshmi Ma herself has come. Let's see what exactly is this meaning. Lakshmi Ma, it's such a beautiful energy, and I'm definitely sure this is what you were manifesting for. This video actually is going to receive only to those people who are manifesting this energy. Only abundant people are going to receive this energy. That is for sure. That is definitely for sure. What I think is, let's see, Lakshmi Ma, what is she trying to say? Of course, she's giving you abundance. Of course, she's giving you lots of good energy, vibrant energy. And not only that, she's also giving you that beauty. See, of course, she's giving you that beauty. You'll be confident in yourself. That is what I was saying. You are happy. You're happy because you're confident as well. You're happy because you're confident. You're happy because you've finally achieved all the things you were manifesting for. Maybe you need to call upon her. Maybe you need to thank her. Because see, whatever you've earned, this, you deserved it. Because see, this is you. Technically, this is you. See, this is Lakshmi Ma. This is you. You embodying Lakshmi Ma and enjoying the luxuries. Because she's the goddess of abundance, the physical beauty, the life force, the good fortune, the fertility. So this is what you're manifesting. She's the, the sweetness of the fruit, or we say, that beauty of the petals, the flower petals. This is the abundant energy you're saying. She is what brings into it. So you are getting that blessing of prosperity. You're getting the fruit of your labor. Basically, whatever hard work you've done, whatever efforts you've put into throughout your life, or to manifest this energy, you deserve it. You definitely deserve it, and this is the result of all the hard work, because she has recognized your generosity, and she knows that you are capable of it, whether it's financial abundance, it's a relationship, it's a loving partnership, a comfortable home, good fortune. See, exactly what I was saying, this is the freedom you've been desiring. Thank you so much, Lakshmi Ma. It's such a beautiful energy. I'm so happy for you. You are literally the luckiest person in the world. Let me tell you that. It's such a beautiful energy. And one thing you need to do is I think you need to, if you are not currently doing it, you definitely need to show gratitude to Lakshmi Ma for all that she has given you throughout your life. You might not be able to see it, but your entire life, from your clothes to your food, entire thing, whatever you can think of, entirely it is given by Lakshmi Ma, or whoever deity or whoever energy or universe you pray to. You just need to thank them, you just need to be grateful for them, because this energy has been given by them, and in order to obtain more of it, you need to show gratitude for whatever is you currently have. That is what I think. And I also think with this card, I think you need to start with Sri Suktam. So there's a prayer called Sri Suktam, which is dedicated to Lakshmi Ma. It's a prayer. So of course not try, you need to do it. You need to do Sri Suktam. So you can either do Sri Suktam for 7 days straight regularly, offer her some white flowers, offer her some offerings, whatever you can offer. See, there's no limit to it. Whatever you can offer as of now, offer that to her. Recite Sri Suktam every day in the morning. And the second thing you can do is, of course, you can write 100 things. You can write 100 things you have been grateful for, what you have been given, you've been taken granted of. It could be, see, we take granted that we've been given water to drink, to bathe. We've been given air. We've been given this beautiful planet Earth. So you need to show gratitude towards it. You need to show gratitude of 100 things that Lakshmi Ma has given you. That is what I would recommend you to do. I think that was for your reading. It's such a beautiful reading. But I'll like to complete it as of now. Take whatever resonates with you and just leave whatever doesn't, because energy will always find its way just like magic. So of course, it's such a beautiful reading. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel to claim this beautiful energy, and make sure you're sharing it with all those beautiful souls you meet, so that they can feel this same abundant energy for themselves as well. Thank you. Meet you in the next reading. Bye.